Hi everyone, welcome back again to David's tutorial, and today I will show you or help you activate your credit card with the Federal Bank. So, to activate your physical credit card for post, ATM, or contactless, you need first to set the PIN. You can set your credit card PIN via either of the following options. So using the Fed mobile app, log in, go to credit card, then set credit card PIN. So it is applicable if your credit card number is not yet activated and you can now set your credit PIN. Now using the IVR or the interactive voice response, you can also dial their number to activate your PIN and credit card. You can also use the e-com or online transaction with their Fed mobile app. Just log in, then go to credit card, then set the credit card PIN. You can also activate it with a missed call to this number right here. It's just quick and easy, and customer can initiate a missed call on the number right here again from the registered mobile number to activate their credit card.